All right, so currently right now it's about 21 degrees and calling for about a ½ inch ice this afternoon, maybe up to a ½ inch of, or half a foot of snow. So we'll see what happens. But right now it's about 2 o'clock Sunday afternoon. It's already starting to freeze and rain a little bit. Maybe you can see a little bit of the icy glaze on the trees, but the pavement and stuff like that, it's already getting slippery, icy. So I'm going to track and let you guys know what's going on throughout the night here in Hickman County, Tennessee. All right, it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon here, and you can see that freezing rain line. It's getting close to the Tennessee state line coming out of Mississippi. Then a bunch of snow coming up from Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and that's what's going to hit probably about 11 o'clock midnight tonight here. So we're going to wake up to a winter wonderland in the morning, no doubt. But you can kind of see that the system is moving in. It's 21 degrees here, and I don't reckon it's going to get any warmer because of that polar vortex. Check this out. You can hear the clanging of the trees. All right, so it's 7 o'clock p.m. on Sunday evening, and that winter storm is starting to move in a little bit. You can kind of see the snow, frozen precipitation. It's very, very, very small right now, but a little moisture is starting to come in, and we'll just continue to keep track of it. All right, so now it's 9 o'clock p.m. and it is sleeting pretty big time. So we didn't get like a lot of liquidy rain, which is kind of a blessing, because they were saying maybe up to a ½ inch of freezing rain, which again the weather forecasters missed. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see that real well or not, but our driveway is solid white from the sleet, and may can give you a little better perspective if I can go out back, get those floodlights kicked on in the back. But anyway, it's 9 o'clock. Sleet's come down pretty hard, and so bring on the snow, bring on the big snow, baby. Well, still raining and sleeting. It's 11 p.m. Sunday night. Valentine's Day, actually. February 14th. And, yeah, so we got a lot of little ice. Right now it's about an 1/8 of an inch ice on the rails. So, I don't know. I just don't think it's going to quite do as much as they say it's going to do, but I hope it surprises me. It may be the last update that we have until the morning, but hopefully in the morning we get up and there's going to be a big, huge white blanket of snow. All right, we'll check in later. All right, it's Monday morning, and it's still sleeting, freezing rain. So we didn't really get any snow overnight, but you can see some things a lot clearer. See the roads solid white. But still no snow yet. We may have the ice storm of 1994 on our hands coming. We're still under a winter storm warning. So, yeah. It's just freezing rain and sleet right now. We're about to go sledding now. You can see right here, we got about 1 inch of sleet that has fallen. Not really any snow, but we're gonna go sledding up the big hill. So I hope y'all are out enjoying the day today too, because it's a beautiful day, but it's pretty slick. Pretty slick. Yeah, all this right here that you're seeing is sleet. And it's still sleeting if you can hear it kind of hitting. But they're still calling for 4 to 6 inches of snow. Bring it on is what I say. Bring it on. It is about 5:30 on Monday night, the 15th of February, and it is now snowing. Been waiting for this snow for a good day. So don't know how much it's going to snow, but if it keeps snowing like this and snows for about an hour or so, we'll probably have a couple inches on top of an inch and a half of ice and sleet. All right, so this is round 2 of the winter storm, and some of the snow melted today, not just because it got up above freezing, but because the sun came out. And a little bit of radiant heat, I guess, but as you can see, it's snowing really good, and it's pretty much filling up the yard. Look down on that lower rail, and it's about 3 inches. About 3 inches of snow. Pretty good. Look over here at our retaining wall steps. You can kind of see. Probably won't do it any justice here. Maybe I'll zoom in a little bit. Alright, so this is zoomed in some, as far as it'll go. But it looks about 3.5 inches overall. And this is from Sunday night. Tonight is Wednesday night. So from Sunday night to Wednesday night, this is what we've got here. Real pretty. Can't wait to get up in the morning and playing it some more. Alright, so it's Thursday morning. The birds are loving it and everything. You can see where the dogs have been running stuff all night long. We want to kind of see how deep it is. About 3 inches, but I'm sitting on top of some ice. About 3 inches. So it's pretty good. Pretty good little snow. You see over here, about 3 inches. Once you get past the layers of ice underneath. Now, a lot of my friends, I don't like to see them a lot, especially my friends up north. Birds are trying to find something to eat. But it's beautiful. We're going to come out and play in it a little later again. It's supposed to melt away maybe this weekend, early next week. Beautiful, beautiful Middle Tennessee.